Suddenly you're diagnosed with a cancer cell. What is a cancer cell? It's a cell that basically turned itself against the body rather than working with the body. And so that particular cell now is going to look at itself as it wants everything for itself at the cost of the host. So it's a cancer cell. And isn't it reasonable then to understand that if estrogen can feed every single cell in your body, it can also feed a cancer cell? And that's where I think that some of this misunderstanding comes about, because the reality of our current treatment for breast cancer is that if a woman has breast cancer, she's going to be given medications so that she can produce or block her production of estrogen as a hormone. It's the treatment. Now, until we have another treatment that is perhaps different, that's what the best that we have right now. But just because the cancer feeds on the estradiol doesn't mean that it caused the cancer. And so my way of looking at this is that every person, male or female, who's going to go on a bioidentical hormone replacement needs to be evaluated by a conscious physician who understands the pros and the cons, is able to be follow them consistently so that they know where the levels, how they're feeling. They're still doing all of their general checkups, whether it's mammograms, rectal exams. We need to be aware, we need to learn how to balance, and more importantly, we need to stop being afraid of things that are natural. And bioidentical hormones are by nature natural hormones that our body produces. The structure and function of them is identical to the ones that our body produces. That's what they're called, bioidentical hormone replacements. And I think that there's a significant amount of good data now to support the fact that, yes, you can still get something, but taking these medications is not necessarily going to increase the risk of that. Many times it's going to decrease the risk of that, because if you're healthier, if you're eating better, if you got more energy, if you're getting your sleep, all of these things matter in helping your body's immune system be able to be strong enough to fight whatever intruder your body has naturally.